Welcome to our exploration of the changing face of warfare. The nature of warfare is in constant flux, always evolving alongside technological advancements. From the trenches of World War I to the lightning-fast strikes of modern conflicts, one thing remains constant: the importance of controlling the skies. In the 21st century, this means possessing a robust and sophisticated air defense system capable of countering a wide array of threats. Enter Russia's S-500 Prometheus, a game-changer in the realm of air defense, poised to reshape the battlefield of the future. This highly advanced system represents the culmination of decades of research, development, and engineering prowess. It is designed to not only counter existing airborne threats, but also to anticipate and neutralize those yet to be deployed. From hypersonic missiles to stealth aircraft, the S-500 stands ready to secure Russia's airspace and project power far beyond its borders. Now let us delve into the dawn of Prometheus. Russia's S-500 emerges. The S-500, also known as the 55R6M Triumphator M, is the latest addition to Russia's formidable air defense arsenal, developed by the renowned Almaz-Antey Corporation. Conceived as the successor to the already potent S-400, the S-500 represents a significant leap forward in air defense technology. Its development, shrouded in secrecy, began in the early 2000s, fueled by Russia's ambition to maintain its edge in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. Years of rigorous testing and refinement have culminated in a system that boasts unparalleled capabilities, pushing the boundaries of air defense further than ever before. The S-500 is not merely an upgrade, but a new breed of air defense system designed to address the evolving nature of aerial threats and ensure Russian air superiority for decades to come. Moving on to unprecedented range and altitude, pushing the boundaries of air defense. One of the most striking features of the S-500 is its remarkable range, far surpassing that of its predecessors and competitors. The system is designed to engage targets up to 600 kilometers away, effectively creating a protective dome over vast swaths of territory. This extended reach allows the S-500 to neutralize threats long before they can pose a danger to critical assets. But the S-500's capabilities extend far beyond the horizon. It can engage targets at altitudes of up to 200 kilometers, reaching the very edge of space. This incredible altitude capability allows the S-500 to target ballistic missiles in their terminal phase, as well as satellites in low Earth orbit, effectively establishing control over both air and space. Finally, let's explore a multi-layered shield targeting everything from drones to hypersonic missiles. The S-500 is a truly multi-layered air defense system capable of engaging a wide spectrum of targets simultaneously. From small, low-flying drones to hypersonic missiles traveling at several times the speed of sound, the S-500 is equipped to handle it all. Its arsenal includes a variety of specialized missiles, each designed to counter specific threats with maximum efficiency. The 77N6N and 77N6N1 interceptor missiles, for example, are specifically designed to neutralize ballistic missiles, while the 9M82MD can effectively engage aircraft, cruise missiles, and even hypersonic weapons. This versatility makes the S-500 a formidable adversary, capable of adapting to diverse and rapidly evolving combat scenarios. Section 5. Seeing the invisible advanced radar systems of the S-500. At the heart of the S-500's effectiveness lies its sophisticated suite of radar systems, providing unparalleled situational awareness and target acquisition capabilities. The system employs multiple radars, each optimized for different tasks, working in unison to create a comprehensive picture of the airspace. One of the key components is the 91N6AM Battle Management Radar, capable of detecting and tracking up to 10 ballistic targets simultaneously at ranges of up to 3,000 kilometers. This powerful radar is complemented by the 76T6 Multi-Mode Engagement Radar, designed to track and engage up to 10 aerodynamic targets, including stealth aircraft, at a range of 600 kilometers. The S-500's radar systems are designed to overcome advanced stealth technologies and electronic countermeasures, ensuring that no target can hide from its watchful gaze. Section 6. Engagement and Interception, a symphony of speed and precision. Once a target is acquired and identified, the S-500 swings into action with incredible speed and precision. Its advanced fire control system calculates the optimal trajectory and selects the most suitable interceptor missile for the job. The missiles, propelled by powerful rocket motors, can reach hypersonic speeds, allowing them to close in on their targets in a matter of seconds. The S-500's interceptors utilize a combination of fragmentation warheads and kinetic kill vehicles to destroy their targets. Fragmentation warheads create a cloud of high-velocity shrapnel, shredding aircraft and missiles, while kinetic kill vehicles rely on pure impact energy to obliterate their targets. This multi-pronged approach ensures a high probability of kill against even the most maneuverable and heavily protected targets. Section 7. Network-centric warfare, seamless integration and data sharing. The S-500 is not a standalone system but an integral part of Russia's integrated air defense network. It is designed to operate seamlessly with other air defense systems such as the S-400, S-350, and Panzer S-1, creating a multi-layered shield that is incredibly difficult to penetrate. Data from various sources, including ground-based radars, airborne early warning aircraft, and even satellites, can be fed into the S-500's command and control center. This network-centric approach allows for real-time information sharing, enhanced situational awareness, and coordinated engagement of multiple targets. The S-500 can also share its target data with other systems, guiding them to intercept threats that are beyond their own engagement range. This level of integration significantly enhances the effectiveness and resilience of Russia's overall air defense network. While the S-500 boasts impressive technology, it is the human element that truly brings the system to life. Operating such a complex and sophisticated system requires highly skilled and well-trained personnel. Russia has established dedicated training centers and programs to prepare elite crews for the S-500. These crews undergo extensive training on simulators and live-fire exercises, honing their skills in target identification, threat assessment, and engagement procedures. They learn to operate the system under intense pressure, making split-second decisions that can determine the outcome of a battle. The rigorous training ensures that the S-500 crews are always ready to face any challenge, safeguarding Russia's skies with unwavering vigilance. The deployment of the S-500 marks a new era of deterrence not only for Russia but also for the global balance of power. Its ability to neutralize a wide range of threats, including ballistic missiles, stealth aircraft, and even hypersonic weapons, significantly alters the military calculus in any potential conflict. Potential adversaries must now factor in the S-500's capabilities when planning their operations, knowing that any attempt to penetrate Russian airspace could come at a high cost. The S-500's extended range allows Russia to project power far beyond its borders, creating a protective umbrella over its allies and interests in key regions. This capability could deter aggression and maintain stability in volatile parts of the world. The S-500 is more than just an air defense system. It is a strategic asset that strengthens Russia's position on the global stage. The S-500's capabilities place it in a league of its own, surpassing existing air defense systems in terms of range, altitude, and target versatility. While comparisons are difficult due to the classified nature of many air defense systems, the S-500 is widely considered to be a generation ahead of its competitors. Compared to the U.S. Patriot PAC-3, for example, the S-500 boasts a significantly longer engagement range and a higher altitude ceiling. It is also believed to be more effective against ballistic missiles and hypersonic weapons. Similarly, the S-500 outperforms the Chinese HQ-9B in terms of range, altitude, and the diversity of targets it can engage. The S-500's advanced radar systems and multi-layered approach to air defense set a new benchmark for the world to follow. The S-500 Prometheus represents a paradigm shift in air defense technology, ushering in a new era of sophistication and capability. Its unprecedented range, altitude, and target versatility make it a formidable force multiplier, capable of shaping the outcome of future conflicts. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the S-500 serves as a stark reminder of the importance of investing in cutting-edge defense systems. In an increasingly uncertain world, where the nature of warfare is constantly evolving, the S-500 stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of security in the face of evolving threats. Its legacy will undoubtedly be felt for decades to come, shaping the future of air defense and influencing the strategies of nations around the globe.